In this tutorial, we will configure the impact analysis environment, manually create an impact analysis record, and review the impact analysis record and the available views. And finally, we will review the impact analysis views on the software update dashboard. We will also take a look at the Update Manager process page. Starting with Tools Release 9 to 8, Update Manager provides you the capability to configure and analyze the impact that the software update will have on your system. Using the software update dashboard on the web client, you can customize and review the impact analysis views graphically. The Update Manager process page provides a process flow and easy access to the software update tools, package management tools, and other useful external links related to Enterprise One software update. Similar to the software update menu GH9612, this page provides direct access to the Work with Software Updates application. And you can also launch the Manage Special Instructions, Impact Analysis, and impact analysis configuration standalone programs from this page. The process page has direct access to the package assembly, package build, and package deployment programs as well. You can launch external related pages like the Update Center, Change Assistant, and Learn JDE directly from here, and also launch the software update dashboard from the process page. To begin, let us first configure the impact analysis environment. Sign into Enterprise One on the web client and select Configure Impact Analysis from the Update Manager process page. Select the target environment. Note that the green circle indicates impact analysis tracking is enabled for PS920 and that the impact analysis will automatically run for an ESU when you import or add it to this environment. The red square indicates impact analysis tracking is disabled. Save and exit. You can manually add impact analysis for electronic software updates and application software updates or cumulative updates in any environment. Access the Work with Software Update Impact Analysis form and click Add to navigate to the Impact Analysis Setup form. Here, enter the software update name and environment name and save. The impact analysis record is created and loaded in the Work with Software Update Impact Analysis form, and the analysis process begins in the background. Refresh this page. The analysis result shows the list of affected objects, delivered bugs, and applied control tables. Note that the Software Update Impact Analysis application P96710W performs impact analysis tracking only for electronic software updates and not for application software updates or cumulative updates. When the impact analysis is run for an application software update, the system launches R96710W to perform the analysis. After the UBE has processed the request, click Find on the Work with Software Update Impact Analysis form to review the record. Let us now review the impact analysis results for an ESU. In the Software Update Impact Analysis form, the results of the analysis are available in different views, namely the Product Code view, the Table Changes view, and the Summary view. Form exit to the Product Code view. Here in the Impact Analysis Product Code view form, you can filter the count of objects affected by the software update. You can filter by product code, environment name, or by setting the query. A graphical summary of the object count analysis is displayed. To review the table changes, form exit to the Table Change view. In the Impact Analysis Table Change view form, you can filter by alter, table, and index changes. You can also filter by product code, environment name, or by setting a query. A graphical summary of the table and index changes can be seen in this view. Now we will review the Impact Analysis Summary view. Form exit from the Work with Software Update Impact Analysis form to the Summary view. And in this Impact Analysis Summary view form, you can filter the view by setting a query and reviewing the graphical summary of the affected and replaced objects. Additional analysis views in the Work with Software Update Impact Analysis form provide more information apart from the impact analysis results which we reviewed. Navigate to the Work with Software Update Impact Analysis form, select the analysis record, and row exit to the Object Usage view. Here you can filter the records and review the usage of the objects in the ESU. You can review object usage details such as whether the object is customized, whether it is used, and the usage count of the object if the object usage tracking is turned on. To review the table changes in the ESU, row exit to the table change view. In this view, you can filter the table change records and review the table changes. Now let us review the index changes in the ESU. Row exit to the index change view. In this view, filter the index change records to review the index changes. The impact analysis also provides the copied object view. Row exit to the copied object view. In this view, review all the copied objects in the ESU. From the Update Manager process flow page, navigate to the Software Updates dashboard. The Software Update dashboard provides a comprehensive interface to visualize the objects and business processes that are updated when a patch is applied to your system. The data displayed in the dashboard is based on the impact analysis configuration setup and the impact analysis results. The software update dashboard comprises of these four components. You can filter the data in these charts by selecting the environment, product code, and query that you want. In the Object Count by Product Code tray, click the menu to open the pane with filter criteria. Here you can change the filter criteria and save the changes by clicking Apply. This chart summarizes the object's usage in the CSU by product code and environment. You can drill back to the Impact Analysis Product Code View application by clicking on the bar graph or the ESU link or the Object Code by Product Code link. You can also change the layout for a view that you want. The deployment summary chart is a graphical synopsis of the deployment. Click on the deployment summary link to drill down to the impact analysis summary view, which displays the data in a tabular format. The graph summarizes the number of objects that will be replaced, and the below graph also summarizes the number of customized objects and copied objects that will be replaced. In the Table Index Changes chart, you can review the table and index changes by data source. Click on the title link to drill down to the Impact Analysis Table Change View application. Here, you can review changes in all product codes or specifically review the changes in the ESU. In the Manage Special Instructions chart, you can review the summary of applied manual special instructions, user-defined codes, and DD glossary items. Click on the title to drill down to the Special Instructions Summary View application. You can review the summary of applied special instructions for the ESU in this chart. To learn more about reviewing impact analysis using the Software Update dashboard, visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.